Okay, Melly Rose, can you introduce yourself to your prospective employer?
Good day, sir, madam. My name is Melly Rose Magarso. I'm 33 years old. I live in Barangay Cancelayan, Paglutan, Iloilo. I'm married. My educational background is high school graduate only. Name of school, Saraga National High School. My experience as a domestic helper since April 2014 and April 2016. I served 7 members of the family, 2 adults, children, 3, 16 years old, and 6 years old, and 1 year and 3 months. Elderly ages is 74. The husband and the wife is 69 years old. My duties are, I do housework such babysitting, cleaning, washing, and ironing clothes, washing cars and dishes. I can cook Filipino food dishes, simple Chinese food, and I'm willing to learn more. My reason for going to Hong Kong is to earn money and to help my family. To my future employer, I promise to finish my 2-year contract the best I can. Thank you.
Okay, Melly Rose, where did you work before?
I work in Brunei, Darussalam.
Okay, so you worked there for 2 years?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you mentioned that your employer has 3 children.
Yes, ma'am.
One is already
16 years old.
16 years old, and then the two
Second.
others.
The second one is 6 years old. The youngest is 1 year old and 3 months.
Okay, so are you the only helper in the house?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what are your obligation again?
My obligation, I do housework such babysitting, 1 year old and 3 months,
Okay.
cleaning, washing, and ironing clothes, washing cars and dishes.
Okay, so what time do you usually wake up to start working in the morning?
I wake up 5:15 a.m. Then I sleep at late 9:30.
Okay, then in the morning when you wake up, what do you do first?
First, I will taking a bath. Then after that, I do washing clothes, and then after that, I eat my meals 7:15. Then start cleaning the house while the baby is sleeping.
Okay, are you also cooking for breakfast?
Yes, mom. I'm cooking. I'm preparing a food for my boss.
Okay, so for the whole family,
Yes, mom.
including children.
Yes, mom.
Okay, the 2 children are already going to school because they're already...
The eldest and the second one.
Okay, so who prepares the needs of the 6-year-old child to go to school?
I'm also preparing the needs of a 6-year-old child.
Okay, how about bringing the child to school?
The driver only.
Driver only.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
also the driver also pick up the child in school.
Yes, mom.
Okay, then are you also cooking for lunch?
Yes, mom. I'm
Okay.
also cooking for lunch.
The employer and the children are coming home for lunch?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so in the afternoon, what are your obligations?
In the afternoon, doing ironing clothes, and then take care of the baby, and then preparing a food for dinner time.
Okay, so are you also the ones doing the marketing every day?
No, mom.
It's
My
your madam.
boss.
It's your madam.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so because this is the first time that you will work in the Chinese family, do you have any idea of cooking Chinese dishes?
Actually, I'm cooking Malaysian food, like chicken curry, and then beef stick,
So you have
roast
some...
pork, and
Okay,
roast chicken.
you have some knowledge in simple cooking of Chinese dishes. Are you willing to undergo training?
Yes, mom.
Okay,
I'm willing.
you are ready. Okay.
Yes, mom.
You are married. How many children do you have, by the way?
4 children, 1 boy and 3 girls.
So they're already grown up?
Yes, mom.
Okay, so who takes care of them if you're out?
My
of the country?
husband.
Okay, so no problem about homesickness
No.
and missing your children.
No.
You're ready anytime.
I'm ready.
Okay, good luck to you.